Good 2 by Father John. Score now. Arsaga to Pablico, takes a jump shot, basket good by Pablico. 6 minutes, 9 seconds. Revolio ngayon, pass to Veneranda. Veneranda back to Revolio, 10 seconds to shoot, down to 8. Fabregas, pass to Mortel, takes a 3. No good, rebound, Veneranda, 14 second shot clock. Pass to Revolio, clean drop, no good, rebound, ni punta pa rin kay Mortel. Basket good for 2. Score all 4, last 5 minutes and 4. Sanson to Arsaga, Arsaga basket good. 2 minutes 20 seconds, first quarter. Revolio pass to Fabregas, 8 seconds to shoot, no good, rebound, napunta kay Edwin, last 5 seconds to shoot. Pablico ngayon, running the fast break, Pablico, scoop layup, no good, rebound, Veneranda. Pass to Mortel, Mortel has the ball, pushing. No good, rebound, basket. To Sanson, to Salatandre, pushing the ball, Sanson, layup, no good, rebound by Veneranda. Outlet pass to Fabregas, Fabregas. Basket good by Fabregas, score natin 6-4 in favor of Buttercup, last 4 minutes and Salatandre, pass to Vasquez. Boss, napunta kay Revolio, pass break to Veneranda, Veneranda drives, with a foul. First throw good by Veneranda. Veneranda second throw, basket good.
4-8 ang score.
Pass to Pablico, Pablico fakes. Dribbles, takes again. Kick out to Sanson, fakes, drives, 8 seconds to shoot. Clean up, no good, rebound to Sakay. To shoot, Arsaga, inbound, pass to Salatandre, Salatandre drive, kick out to Sanson, takes a 3. No good, rebound to Mortel ngayon has the ball. Pass to punta kay Father John, takes a jump shot, no good, rebound, Sanson. Sanson pass to Vasquez, nagamit ng palasahan to Lander Arsaga. Arsaga, Westwood pass kay Salatandre. Salatandre takes a 3. No good, rebound, Veneranda again, last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Pass break intercepted by Sanson. Sanson ngayon, pass to Pablico, takes a 3. No good, rebound pa rin ni Veneranda. Veneranda ngayon, pass to Fabregas. Fabregas drives, speed move, takes a layup. No good, follow up by Veneranda. Good. Score natin 10-4 in favor of Buttercup. Last 3 minutes. Arsaga takes a 3. Pass to good by Arsaga. Score 10-7. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds for the first quarter. Mortel fakes, pass to Veneranda. Veneranda pass to Revolio. To Fabregas, fakes a jump shot, basket in by Fabregas. Salatandre, drive, fakes, takes a jump, takes a floater, no good, rebound, napunta kay Revolio. Fabregas takes a 3, no good, rebound by Fabregas. Fabregas ngayon pushing the face, pass to Mortel, Mortel pass to intercepted by Fabregas. Save on substitute. Fabregas and 1. 7 in favor of Buttercup. Last 1 minute 44 for the first quarter. Rebound, Breeze, 14 seconds. Offensive foul, called on Breeze. Bola. Pass to Arsaga, Salatandre. Pass to Pablico, fake, drive, drop pass to Parangue. 10 second shot clock. Pablico pass to Vasquez, 7 seconds to shoot. Vasquez takes a shot, basket by Vasquez. Veneranda drives, takes a layup, no good, rebound, napunta kay Arsaga. Arsaga ngayon, pass to Salatandre. Salatandre, broad pass to Barangay, basket is good by Barangay. Last 1 minute. Breeze ngayon, drives, takes a shot, foul. First throw, good by Breeze. Second throw, basket is good by Breeze. Last 50 seconds for the first quarter. Pass to Arsaga, to Salatandre, back to Arsaga. Arsaga takes drive, pass to Barangay. 10-second shot clock. Salatandre drive, 7 to shoot, kick out, Pablico takes a 3. Bang! 3-pointer by Pablico, last 26 seconds. Score 16-14. Pablico takes a 3 again, no good, rebound, Vasquez. Takes a shot, no good, rebound, contact. Last 12 seconds to shoot, another game clock, last 9 seconds. 5. Basket by Veneranda. Time. In favor of Buttercup. Fabregas ngayon may dala ng bola. Fabregas takes a jump shot, no good, rebound, Jimenez. Jimenez kicked out to Fabregas. Fabregas takes a jump shot again, no good, rebound by Arsaga. Arsaga, pass break to Harapilla. Harapilla, matitawan ng bola. Pass to Breeze. Pablico takes a 3. No good, rebound, napunta kay Jimenez. Jimenez, pass break to Fabregas. Fabregas. Foul by Pablico. First throw by Fabregas, good. Second throw by Fabregas. Basket is good. Score natin 20-14 in favor of Buttercup. Salatandre, pass to Harapilla. Jimenez here loses the ball. Salatandre. Salatandre setting up the play. Screen by Arsaga. Kick out to Pablico. 10-second shot clock. Takes a 3. No good, rebound, Breeze. Fast break is communication. Salatandre setting up the play back to Harapilla. Intercepted by Veneranda. Loose ball. Breeze inbound, pass to Fabregas. Back to Breeze. Fake, kick out to Fabregas again. Fabregas drive. Good layup, no good for a foul. First throw by Fabregas, no good. Basket good, substitution left. Salatandre, pass to Harapilla. Harapilla setting up the play, kick out to Salatandre. 10 seconds to shoot. Floater, basket good by Salatandre. Pass to Breeze. Breeze drive, fake, fakes the layup, no good. Rebound, napunta kay Breeze ulit. Basket is good by Breeze, second effort. Salatandre, pass to Pablico. Pablico fakes. Good layup, basket good by Pablico. Fabregas sizing up the play, screen by Padajab, kick out to Soriano, fake, drive, floater, no good, rebound, Pablico. Pablico, kick out to Salatandre, pushing up the face, Salatandre takes a layup, no good, rebound, punta kay Arsaga, takes a shot, basket is good. Score natin 23-20 in favor of Buttercup. Tatlo na lang po ang kalamangan. Father Jumps ngayon. May dala ng bola. Father Jumps takes a shot. Basket is good by Father Jump. Iba ang kalamangan ng Buttercup sa Gatandri ngayon. May dala ng bola. 14 second shot clock. Pass to Haranilla. 10 seconds to shoot. Haranilla screen by Vasquez. Shot clock down to 7 but a foul. Shot second team foul. Peton inbound pass to Haranilla. Face a deep three, no good. Rebound Salatandre. Montel pass to Veneranda. To Jimenez, post up, kick out ulit kay Veneranda. Veneranda drive, fake, pass. To Green, kick out to Onda. Onda, magpipinod. Montel setting up the play. To Ponta. Cross-court pass to Green, takes the layup. No good rebound by Garian. Pass to Haranilla. Haranilla ngayon, to the pressure. Haranilla pushing up the pace. Haranilla brings pass to Onda. To Peton, takes a jump shot. Basket good by Peton. Score 25-22. Veneranda ngayon, nag-inbound pass to Breeze. Breeze drives, fake, jump. Haranilla ngayon, magdadala ng bola. Screen ni Peton. Haranilla setting up the play. Drives. Kick out Peton. Pass to Onda. Screen by Jimenez. Mortel drive. Kick out Fabregas. Fake. Drive. Fakes a layup. Basket by Fabregas. Balik po sa lima ang kalamangan ng Buttercup. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Haranilla. Pass to Peton. Kick out Onda. 10 second shot clock. Pass to Verian. Verian drives, loses the ball. Punta kay intercepted by Haranilla. Bola na punta kay Mortel. Takes a jump shot. No good. Rebound by Peton. Peton pass to Onda. Onda ngayon may dala ng bola. Pushing the pace. Pass to Verian. To Haranilla. Haranilla ngayon siding up. Haranilla uses the screen. 8 seconds shot clock. Haranilla pass to 5 seconds to shoot. 3. Time. Good. Timeout. Succeeded. Last 27 seconds. Peton. Back to Onda. Intercepted. Last 17 seconds. 16. 10. Last 6 seconds. Foul. Time. 2 in favor of Buttercup. To Sanson. Sanson kick out Pablico. 14 seconds to shoot. Pablico makes scoop layup but a foul. Who's foul rep? Para kay Pablico. First throw, basket good. Second throw by Pablico. No good rebound by Narata. Pablico's ngayon. Pablico's drive, scoop layup, no good rebound Salatandre. Salatandre pushing the pace. Salatandre drive, fakes, drop pass to Sanson, takes a jump shot, basket good by Sanson. Fabregas all alone, basket. Good for 2 by Fabregas. Score 31-25. Last 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Salatandre drives, kick out to Sanson, fakes, drives, Sanson jump shot, no good, rebound by Mulato. Last 6 minutes. Fabregas, fast break to Veneranda. Veneranda. Drop pass to Father Jumps, good layup for the foul. Jumps. First goal is good by Father Jumps. Second free throw. No good, rebound by Arsaga. Salatandre ngayon, drives, kicks out, Pablico, fake, drive, Pablico, pass to Fabregas. Drive, double dribble. Pablico, kicks out to Salatandre, takes a three, no good, rebound, Greece. Fast break to Malatol. Very good. Pablico loses the ball. Napunta kay Mario Jones. Fast break intercepted. Nabuha pa rin ni Pablico. To Salatandre. Kick out Pablico. Fakes. Drives. Pull up. No good. Rebound Sanson. Follow up. No good. Rebound basket. Rebound Veneranda, inaalam po ang sisigan ng Iron Blocks. Veneranda ngayon, pushing to base. Veneranda, hook shot, pass to his group. Arsaga takes a three, no good. Back sitting on a 9-point lead. Mortel ngayon, drives, kick out to Veneranda. Veneranda drives, kick out to Fabregas. Fabregas, jump shot, basketball Fabregas. 25. Arsaga, pass to Arsaga. Arsaga post up, kick out to Feton. Takes a jump shot, no good. Rebound, Father Jobs. Father Jobs, pass break. Napunta kay Mortel. Mortel. Basket good by Mortel. Salatandre drives. But a foul. 38-25. Last 3 minutes and 8 seconds for the third quarter. Second throw, no good. Rebound, Greece. Greece ngayon, drive, layup, baskets, good by Greece. Pass break to Arsaga. Arsaga, kick out to Feton. Back to Arsaga. Arsaga drives, kick out, Pablico takes a three. No good, rebound, Fabregas, para foul. Kita naman yung tweet. Pablico inbound to Salatandre. To Haranilla. 8 seconds to shoot. 5. Rebound Salatandre. Basket win by Haranilla. Mortel takes a shot. No good, rebound niya pa rin. Jimenez, inbound to Veneranda. Pass to Greece sa gitna. Basket good by Greece. Haranilla, kick out. Pablico for 3. Veneranda to Jimenez. Double dribble. Molo takes a 3. Fabregas ngayon, may dala ng bola, papatahimigin talaga. Salatandre, pass to Haranilla. Haranilla ngayon with 10 seconds on the shot clock, down to 8. Shot clock down to 3. Still by Veneranda, pass break to Veneranda. Salatandre, pass to Molo. Molo fakes, pass to Vasquez. Layup, basket good by Vasquez. Isang assist na para kay Molo. Last 20 seconds for the third quarter. Score 44-33. Last 10 seconds. 8. 3. Good. Time. Pablico pass to Salatandre. Salatandre pass to Pablico. Kick out to Salatan. Loose ball. Napunta kay Monta. Monta nagmamadali. Monta. Scoop layup. No good. Rebound. Samson. Pass to Pablico. Pablico ngayon nagmamadali. Pablico pulls up. Takes the three. No good. Rebound. Soriano. Veneranda takes the three. No good. Rebound. Samson. Quick outlet to Pablico. Pablico ngayon pushing the pace. Pablico drives. Fakes. Pablico pass to Salatan. Repeats. To set muna ang play, takes the teardrop, basket, no good, rebound by Monta. Salatan still intercepted by Rebolio. To Veneranda, drop pass to Monta, good for two. Samson pass to Salatandre. Salatandre pushing the pace. Salatandre drives, takes a shot for the foul. Ay for Haragilia. First throw good. Second throw good. Ngayon may dala ng bola. Pass to Veneranda. Veneranda drive. Pass to Soriano. Veneranda to Rebolio. 8-second shot clock. Conta. Kick out Veneranda, 5 seconds to shoot. No good, rebound Vasquez. The pace, Pablico drive, fake, pass to Aranilia, gets it back, Pablico, pass to Verian, Verian fake, takes the layup, no good, rebound yung pa rin. Follow up and the foul, 46. Verian, second throw, basket good, substitution rep. 10 seconds to shoot. Breeze drive, fake, takes a shot. No good. Rebound. Napunta kay Pablico. Pablico ngayon. Pushing the pace. Pablico layup. Basket good by Pablico. 7 na lang po ang Kalamangan. Score. Back to Rebolio. To Conta. 10 seconds shot clock. Kick out Veneranda. 7 seconds to shoot. 5, 2, 1, Samson ngayon may dala ng bola, back to Pablico. To Haragilia. Haragilia all day, takes a three. Basket by Haragilia. Mortel, pass to Fabregas. Fabregas, fake, drive, spins. Kick out to Breeze, 10 second shot clock, takes a three. Basket to good, rebound, Vasquez. Pablico ngayon, Pablico ng bola, dali pass to Haragilia. Basket good for two. Dalawa na lang po ang Kalamangan. Fabregas ngayon, siya na ang magdudumol. Fabregas team pa yung Venice. Sula, block by Samson. Pablico ngayon, pass break kay Samson. Oh, wala! Basket is good! Deadlock 46. Fabregas pull back, no good, rebound, Mortel, Vasquez, to Pablico, Pablico, scoop layup, basket good, timeout red. 23 seconds for the fourth quarter, lamang na po ng dalawa ang saksikan. Fabregas kick out to Veneranda, sasagutin kaya, sinagod niya. Balik na po ang lagang sa tingin mga Buttercup, 49-48. Samson, fakes, hanggang kapapasan, intercepted, nakuha na ang lagang. Very good by Samson. Trailing baskets na po ang dalawang simulan. Last 1 minute and 53 seconds. 1-point lead by Saksikan. Conta has the ball to Veneranda, 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound Vasquez to Haragilia. Haragilia pushing the pace. Loses the ball. Napunta kay Mortel. Mortel pushing the pace. But the ball in the field. Sportsmanlike foul down. First throw by Mortel. Really good. Pang deadlock. Second shot clock. Contact to Fabregas. Fabregas ngayon, drive. Layup basketball Fabregas. Portel bumawi. Drop pass, Beneranda takes a shot, no good. Ball in the middle to Fabregas. Fabregas pushing the pace, still by Ortega on a foul. And 1 second. Last 55 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Haranilia takes a shot. No good. Rebound Fabregas. Last 47 seconds. 45. William Bates. Gonna foul. Last 150. Ang isang timeout na lang po both teams. Vasquez inbound to Sanson. Sanson here. Sanson intercepted by Mortel. Gonna foul. Mortel inbound to Veneranda. Ten seconds to shoot. 8. Basket good by Fabregas and 1. Last 12 seconds. Last 12. Score 53-50. 12 seconds na lang game clock. 12 seconds. Advance timeout to shoot. Fabregas. No good. Last. Inbound by Haranilia. Binabantayan ni Soriano. Last 11 seconds. 11 seconds. 3-point lead. Haranilia. Kanino kaya i-inbound? Kay Sanson. Sanson takes a 3. No good rebound. Last 5 seconds. Foul by Haranilia. To Veneranda. Quick foul by all the last 2 seconds. Substitution rep. Contact out, Father Jones in. Veneranda shooting. Basket is good by para masara ang pagkamanalo. Veneranda, second throw, basket is good. Last 2 seconds, no timeout. In-bound na lang po at yun na ang game natin. Moving on to the finals is Team Buttercup. Final score 55-50.